Hey, Mandi Maniacs.
Hi, we're gonna try out this Royal Oak for the Pitmaster and all of us. 100% natural hardwood lump charcoal. Classic barbecue flavor, lights fast, burns long and hot. Trusted by barbecue pros, 100% natural hardwood. Okay.
It smells delicious.
Yeah.
You can smell it.
So we went out and bought a gas grill, a charcoal grill, to be able to try this out. Got the bag open. We cut the top off, but look at how these look. I'm so used to the last time I used charcoal was
It was like lump looking. Yeah.
The lumps. Well, this says lump charcoal.
Interesting.
But it looks, I don't know, like little wood pieces. So
Yeah,
it's
it does look like wood.
kind of different.
Oh yeah, and it says down there that it's hardwood.
Yeah.
Is it charcoal or is it hardwood?
Well, I don't know.
Huh.
Hardwood lump. So it's both.
Interesting.
So, okay, I'm going to pull my hair back here. According to the new grill, I think, where do we go with the directions? For the new grill, I don't see them.
I kind of thought it was just throw in charcoal, light it, and you're ready.
No, something about you got to build a pyramid towards the front.
Oh.
But it tells you how much. All right, well, let's just put a few in here and see what happens. Dump it in. Oh my, I think maybe I overdid it.
I'm not sure how much you're supposed to put in.
And then it says use a tumbleweed, which is so she got these all natural fire
look, it's
starter.
Royal Oak too.
Yeah,
How funny.
so
Same brand.
it says to make a little pile and put this in the center, I guess.
Interesting.
It says here,
This is our little.
open the air vents on top, place it in the middle, and then light it. Okay.
Why does our grill
All right,
cover have
so-
a Walmart logo?
I guess we put this in the center.
Question.
All right, so it says to make a pyramid. I'm not sure how much, so we're just going to guesstimate here.
That's a pretty good pyramid.
Yeah, I think it looks as close as to a pyramid as you're going to get. And then we're going to put it, I guess, in the center like this, maybe, of our pyramid. Maybe that's what gets them all started. So maybe put it down
that could
further.
be
I
that's like
don't
the
know.
starter, and then once they take off. Feel like you're on Survivor?
I don't know, but
They
all
had to
right.
make a fire.
So we got a fire going. Not yet. All right. Do you have something to start? Oh, I don't know how to use those darn things.
Let's see. I used to. There we go. Come
All
on.
right, so we start that. All right.
It's not really starting.
Oh,
Maybe it's a slow burn.
Maybe. I don't know. I guess it would have to be slower, otherwise it wouldn't catch
Oh, wouldn't
on.
give
It
it
would
time
just burn it.
to. That's a good point.
So, I wonder how long it takes to light those little black things.
That's a good
The
question.
lump hardwood.
You know, I'm like, is it wood? Is it charcoal? Maybe it's charcoal covered wood.
Or
Or
maybe
wood
they
colored charcoal.
burnt up the wood and now it's charcoal. I don't know. You know, when you burn some wood, it now becomes charcoal looking.
True.
So maybe that's what that is.
It smells so good.
It does.
It's giving me summer campfire vibes.
So we shall see how this
You guys can
goes.
tell we don't really know our way around a charcoal grill.
No. We're lucky if we know our way around a gas grill.
Oh yeah, I refuse to use it.
Or even
I
a
still
stove.
haven't understood it.
Haven't understood that either.
That's true.
Hey. And cooking's not that bad.
No one's commenting. But so it says, what does it say once we got that going?
It's like a nice flame going.
Yeah. Wait until the flames die down and charcoal begins to ash over, and then you want to spread it.
How do you do that without getting burnt?
I
Oh, I would hope you use something and not your hands.
When using a charcoal chimney, place a fire starter beneath the chimney and then light it. I don't know what that means.
Chimney.
We must not have a chimney. I'm not really sure what a chimney is. I might have to go get directions to see if the this squirrel says something about chimney.
I think this is our chimney. This like little door up here.
You mean like the Walmart logo?
Yeah.
We shall see what a chimney is. Okay.
It's pretty.
It is. All right. Well, we got the coals going, so now we got the food on. 2 ribeyes and 4 burgers. So now we're gonna see if there's a taste difference with using this stuff instead of a regular gas grill.
It smells incredible.
It smells good. Yes. Smells like a campfire.
Yeah, it does.
All right, how's it coming? The steaks are looking really good. Those ribeyes. Burgers I ain't too sure about.
They look pretty good to me.
Yeah, well they're gonna have to be flipped a few times, I think. But
They look pretty cooked, I think.
ribeyes are looking good. I don't know. Look at its roll right there. Here too. See?
It's just a little natural.
A little bit of natural rawness. Okay, the meat is off, and here's kind of what the charcoal looks like. I don't know if we let it go long enough before we started cooking, but that's what it looks like. It was easy to do, especially for people that have never used a charcoal grill before. There's the burgers. Woohoo! Nice patties and my steak that I had to dig into already. And her steak that she already dug into. And then we're having it with some avocado and cucumbers and potatoes.
That is a game changer. That is truly the best burger I've ever had. If that's charcoal doing that, that is out of this world. It has a rich, meaty beef flavor, like a smokiness. It's amazing.
It tastes like that wood charcoal stuff. It, you know, the smell of it is
Oh, kind of the flavor.
Yes,
Oh,
gives you
is
that
that
flavor.
good, isn't it?
It is very good.
Wow. I don't think I can go back to propane, you guys.
It doesn't taste any different in the steak.
It doesn't taste any different in the steak, but I think we
Same.
overcooked our steaks. Yeah.
It is to die for in the burger.
Mm-hmm.
That is a real burger.